talk my shit tonight. I'm in Miami tonight, so I'ma talk my shit. Y'all may not know me. The name goes by the name Melly sings. You may have not heard the name, but you've heard the voice. It's on a lot of your hit songs, okay? One of them is Ekip. Est-ce que nous pas qu'on Ekip en là? I swear. Y'all heard me sing with New Look. Est-ce que nous pas de New Look? Et pas vrai? Y'all heard me with Kai. Et pas vrai? Y'all heard me with Zafem. Zafem. Ziki Melem. Qui est-ce qui agissait? Let's go. Ziki Melem. Sing with me, y'all. Qui est-ce qui agissait? Bring it down. I'm gonna talk to them right now. Ziki Melem. Qui est-ce qui agissait? Ziki Melem. Qui est-ce qui agissait? Jouez! Jouez! Let's go! Qui t'aime ma chère? Let's go! I came to party tonight. I don't know about y'all. Did you come to party? Let's go! Whoosh. Harold, get sexy. Let's go. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Harold, finish one win. What been done, I swear. Let's go. Let's go. Got them one. I'm just having fun, y'all. Oh, you're having fun. Jouez, 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 jouez. One more time. One more time. Qui est-ce qui agissait? How y'all doing tonight? Est-ce que nous là? Est-ce que nous là? Dis oui, moi nakala. Est-ce que nous là? Est-ce que nous là? Okay, y'all there. They there.